Amazing Things presents 10 Weird Planets Too Crazy to Believe. Number 10. Gliese 436b. It's an ice planet, yet it's 822 degrees Fahrenheit, 426 Celsius. How is this possible? The ice on the planet is kept together through strong gravitational forces, which prevent the water molecules from evaporating and escaping the planet. The ice on Gliese is called Ice 10. The planet is the same size as Neptune and orbits the red dwarf Gliese 436. The planet is probably very close to its star, since it can orbit its galaxy's star in only 2 days and 15.5 hours. The planet is also known as GJ 436b, and it's only 30 light-years away from Earth. It's become famous for being one of the most weird planets ever discovered. Number 9. J1407b. This planet is 40 times the size of Jupiter. 37 rings surround the planet, which span close to 120 million kilometers wide. Gaps in the rings have been found which indicate that exomoons may have formed. The ring system is around 200 times larger than Saturn's rings, which led to it being dubbed a super Saturn. Over several million years the rings will become thinner. Eventually the rings will disappear completely. The orbital period is probably around 10 years. It's so large that just one of its moons may be close to the size of Mars or Earth. Number 8. Osiris. It's located 150 light-years from the Earth, and inhabits the Pegasus constellation. Osiris is known as a hot Jupiter because it's both incredibly large and close to its star. It's only 4 million miles from its star. The star heats the planet's core to temperatures reaching 2000 degrees Celsius. The envelope of gas surrounding this planet is a scorching 10,000 degrees Celsius. 1.1 billion pounds of force is being ripped away from the planet every second, and this is killing the planet. It's a gigantic planet, 220 times the size of Earth, yet so close to its star that its year only lasts 3.5 Earth days. Number 7. TRES-2b. TRES-2b is the darkest planet known to exist. Up close the planet would appear to be a black ball of gas, it reflects no light, and has a glowing red tinge. Why is the planet so dark? That part's still a mystery. The planet is close to its star, only 3 million miles away, and is 1800 degrees Celsius. It's 750 light-years from us, and one of the hardest weird planets to see up close. Kepler uses light sensors to continuously monitor thousands of stars, and looks for the regular dimming of stars. Dips in stellar brightness can be an indicator that a planet is transiting, or moving in front of a star and blocking its light, as TRES-2b does to its star. Number 6. PSRB 162026b. This is the oldest known planet in the universe. It's 13 billion years old, and less than a billion years older than the universe itself. Our planet, which is 4.5 billion years old, is less than half its age. It orbits two burned-out stars which reside inside a core of 100,000 stars. The planet is evidence that the first planets formed very quickly, which means that planets could be abundant in our universe. It's the first known planet in existence to orbit two stars instead of one. This alone makes it one of the weirdest planets, let alone its gargantuan size, and extreme age. One star is a pulsar, and the other is a white dwarf. Number 5. GJ1214b. This exoplanet orbits the star Gliese 1214b. It's 42 light-years away from us. What makes this such an unusual planet is that it's an ocean planet, but it's incredibly hot. The planet was nicknamed the Water World. A thick, steamy atmosphere covers the planet. Its surface temperature is 230 degrees Celsius because it's quite close to the red dwarf star it orbits. The atmosphere of the planet is composed mostly of water. The temperature and pressure of this world are high enough to form amazing material like superfluid water and hot ice. It's like that the planet formed further away from its star and then moved into its current spot a long time ago. Number 4. HAT P2b. This planet is bigger and hotter than the Sun, it weighs the same as 2,500 Earths, and is traveling at an insane speed. The planet is located 3 to 9 million miles away from its star, yet it only takes 5.6 Earth days for it to complete its orbit. Its gravity is 15 times stronger than Earth's, and it gets as hot as 2000 degrees Celsius. It lives in the constellation Hercules, and is the biggest known planet outside of our solar system. This is clearly one of the weirdest planets ever found. So much so that when scientists found it they didn't even believe it was real, and assumed it was just a false alarm. Number 3. Kepler 186f. This is one of the few weird planets that can actually sustain life. What makes this planet so strange is how similar it is to Earth. This planet is roughly the same size as Earth and inside its solar system's habitable zone. This planet isn't even 10% larger than Earth, and is the most similar planet known right now. Kepler 186f takes 130 days to orbit its Sun. The atmosphere on this planet might make it possible to keep water in liquid form. Although promising, the planet is still a mystery to scientists. It's possible that the planet is too far from the Sun for the water to stay warm enough not to freeze, but perhaps its atmosphere is able to stop it from getting too cold. Number 2. WASP-33b. WASP-33b's surface temperature is 3,200 degrees Celsius. It's the hottest planet in the known universe. The planet flies very close to its star, which also happens to be the hottest known star in the universe. It's around 378 light-years away, situated in the Andromeda constellation. Its orbit is complete every 30 hours. It's a huge planet, 4 times the size of Jupiter. It's 900 degrees hotter than the planet previously known to be the hottest, which was WASP-12b. Number 1. GJ504b. Scientists have discovered an amazing planet only 57 light-years from Earth. The planet named GJ504b is pink, and is the only pink planet ever discovered. Not only is the planet an unusual color, but it also changes ideas previously held by scientists. The planet orbits the yellow dwarf star, 59 Virginis. It's an old planet, around 160 million years old, and it's actually one of the smallest planets we've directly imaged. It has several times the mass of Jupiter, yet it's about the same size. One of the most amazing things about the planet is that it's so far away from the star it orbits, which is challenging ideas on how giant planets form. Subscribe for more. And don't forget to like, share and comment.